Cybersecurity is not about always being right. It's about making the best decision under pressure. And sometimes, even the wrong decision can be the right one. Most people think cybersecurity is about tools, firewalls, antivirus, encryption. But professionals know something different. Cybersecurity is about decisions. Because in real situations, you don't always have perfect information. You don't always have time. And every choice comes with a risk. Let's go through some real-world scenarios. Scenario 1. Suspicious login detected. You're a security analyst in a company. You detect a login attempt from another country on an employee's account. Now you have two options. A. Immediately lock the account. B. Monitor the activity before taking action. Both options are valid. Locking the account protects the system quickly, but it could disrupt the employee's work, especially if it was a legitimate login. Monitoring allows you to gather more information, but increases the risk if it's actually an attacker. A professional doesn't just react. They ask, what is the risk versus the impact? Scenario 2. Phishing email reported. An employee reports a suspicious email. It looks like a phishing attempt. Options. A. Block the sender across the entire company. B. Investigate further before taking action. Blocking immediately reduces risk fast, but what if it was a false alarm? Investigation gives clarity, but takes time. And during that time, others might still receive the email. The decision depends on how dangerous the email appears, how fast it's spreading, how sensitive the company is to risk.
Scenario 3. System vulnerability found. A vulnerability is discovered in your system. Options. A. Fix it immediately, even if it causes downtime. B. Schedule a fix to avoid disrupting operations. Fixing it now increases security, but may affect customers or business operations. Delaying reduces disruption, but leaves a window of exposure. Professionals think in trade-offs, security versus availability. There is no perfect answer, only the best decision for that moment. Scenario 4. An employee mistake. An employee accidentally clicks a suspicious link. Nothing obvious happens. Options. A. Reset all their credentials immediately. B. Monitor their account for unusual activity. Resetting is safer, but disruptive. Monitoring is smoother, but riskier. A professional will consider, what access does this employee have? How sensitive is their account? What is the likelihood of compromise? Scenario 5. Data access request. A team requests access to sensitive data for a project. Options. A. Grant access to speed up work, restrict access, and require extra approval. Granting access improves productivity. Restricting access improves security. This is one of the biggest challenges in cybersecurity, convenience versus safety. Too much restriction slows business. Too much freedom increases risk. Professionals balance both. Scenario 6. Possible data breach. There are early signs of a potential data breach. Nothing is confirmed yet. Options. A. Announce it immediately. B. Investigate quietly first. Announcing builds transparency, but may cause panic or damage reputation if it's a false alarm. Waiting allows confirmation, but delays response if it's real. Again, no perfect answer, only calculated decisions. Now here's the key difference. Beginners ask, what is the correct answer? Professionals ask, what is the smartest decision based on risk? Because cybersecurity is not about being perfect. It's about thinking clearly when things are uncertain. That's exactly what I focused on in Cybersecurity Decision Making. Not tools, not technical complexity, but how to think like a professional. Inside, I break down how small decisions create big risks, how to evaluate trade-offs, how to avoid common decision mistakes, and how to build a structured way of thinking so instead of guessing, you start making smarter decisions. Check the link in the description. At the end of the day, cybersecurity is not just about protecting systems. It's about making better decisions than the attacker expects. And that starts with how you think.